No, these are two like BNs. Big. This big. But you're white though. Like you're not black.
No, they call me Maya.
You're just a fuck. You're just a Mexican at this point.
What the fuck?
Fuck is our teammate?
What is that, bro?
What the fuck is that? I mean, at least we fit in, I guess. Although, fuck Christ. Our team, and they have the Cerberus. Yeah, they're good. They're throwing. It's gonna be up to you and me. I have the shield, by the way, Jaden. So it's gonna have to be like me and you pushing on this open ass map. Oh my God.
The tough shells.
I'm pretty sure you got it.
The socialites. And finally, the mighty.
Why'd that nigga look like a terrorist?
Ready, set, unleash the excitement.
What the f?
What the fuck?
Wait. Why not the sound effects of a woman?
It's a
Because you're a woman.
A perfectly intact arena.
Why am I a woman?
Under pressure.
You're a woman.
Yeah.
Why am I a woman? Wait, no, I have.
Come through, bitch.
Come mindset.
Come through, bitch.
Yeah.
Come through, please, dude. Yeah. Still behind you.
Let's grab the cash box.
No flatlines on my watch.
I'm back.
Yeah, where you going, buddy? You seen you?
Nah, kill that mother. That's a Jew. That's a Jew. Huh.
Motion detection active.
Kill the fuck Jew, huh? Nice.
I'll be terrified of this here.
Arming a mine. Deploying a
Oh, this motherfucker's cooked. I know where he is.
Seen you?
I got a. I have someone on me, twin.
I'll be dead, twin.
explosive mine.
I'm fucking dead, twin. They're just running away from me. I'm just stuck like Chuck. On my stairs. My team has a fucking Cerberus. Like, bro, what are we doing?
Please, dude.
You should have rocked. You should have flamethrower.
Setting a mine.
How the fuck did you get killed?
Bro.
Teammate gas is you, of course. Nice. I think you're just getting nothing but mine kills at this point. How many kills have you got with a fucking mine? Yeah, mess him up. He's fine.
Explosive mine.
I need a winch call. Oh my God. Hit him! Why would you charge up for that big ass shit and you just spam him? What am I watching right now? I need a winch claw, dude.
The socialites denied a cash.
He's hitting shots.
Great steal.
Not complete
Will
shit.
they make this a spree, I wonder?
Mike
I can't
literally
do anything,
carrying.
bro.
What the fuck is that doing?
You said the mine.
The mighty grabbed a cash
Playing like
box.
Sledge right now.
You said I'm literally a sledge. This building's about to come down.
Yeah, we're never like over there anymore. We're going to see.
Move to cash LC.
Zip line.
Whole building's coming down.
The socialites' reputation just tanked. The mine. Arming a mine.
I just killed one.
Deploying a surprise. Midway
Come back.
Boy,
Shafted the other
action
one.
has been
I'm
relentless.
coming. Pink's coming after
Energy
me.
is electric, and these players are feeding off it.
Pink's here, dude. Let's kill the fuck you.
Yeah, that shit mined up.
Moving. Team Deborah.
I got proxy. Holy shit. Yeah, you do. What the fuck?
Planting a mine. The high notes need to hit the right pitch to stay in the tournament.
We gotta like utilize cover like motherfuckers when they're coming. Doing this round.
Setting a mine.
They're above us. Crawling
As soon as
up.
I drop, bro.
Oh my God, dude. I gotta reload the lock bolt. I'm just dead, dude. Like, they're not even looking at you.
Did it hit him?
Oh my god. Where'd he go?
It's probably already gone.
Oh, we're cooked. This thing can't climb. I don't want to hear shit from that. Like, Cerberus sucks. Absolute donkey dick. Bro, I can't do shit in my first hitch. You just know how to use the sledge. Like, I just can't match your fucking there. The shield is terrible with it.
Get. Oh my god!
Yeah,
That's how you protect your earnings, folks. Well played.
Why did it take 3 hits? Like, how do you get so fucking low?
Socialites.
I'm shielded up behind you.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Oh, you're not going anywhere. He's already dead.
Where are you going?
Get his ass!
Where are you going?
Get his ass! I'm dead. I'm
There's no way.
dead though. It's up to you. Because, bro, he has a fucking Mark 14!
Bro, you're just another team. You're just sitting under the stairs.
He out damages me.
You're just sitting under the stairs.
What the? I'm dead. I'm dead.
No way.
This guy sucks. No, that guy sucks. No, that guy's terrible. No, that guy's actually terrible. No, that guy's actually terrible.
The micro shells. Drop the mine.
Oh, I missed. Shit. Push one.
Yeah, I did.
It's 2 on point.
Yeah, push that one more.
He's double locking.
Oh, there's-
Yeah, come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Nah, don't run from it. Don't run from it, bitch.
And just like that, a cash out belongs to the retros.
They're running. Hey, dude. I'm dead. I'm dead. Our fucking teammates doing jack shit for us. Good shit. I was just a human shield. Is that the nigga from Yakuza? Yep. He's the nigga from the eye patch from Yakuza. I don't want to watch it.
Smash his ass.
Yeah.
I missed.
Oh, you got me.
Moment yet, and we
Finals, folks. This is one for the
Got him.
history books.
I just dropped on like a fuck. Yeah. This shit might be good. Go,
the tough shells grabbed a cash.
go. This shit might be kind of good. I don't know, Nick. I just need like something
So
besides
we're gonna dominate lobbies. Bro.
what I have currently. I need mines. In fact, the mines are actually really good.
Threat detected. Up
Oh my
there.
fucking gosh. Throw it in, bro. Throw it in. Let me challenge that shit,
Oh,
please.
y'all were over there. No, I threw it.
The shock and awe are struggling to keep
I
control.
know.
Oh my God.
Time is running out. Cash out underway. Thanks
Why
to
did
the
you throw it there?
I don't know. Why is he healing me? Like, I have a shield. Oh my god, bro. This is like the worst ever.
Gonna revive! Cover me!
This thing is so fucking
Back
terrible,
to the
bro.
past again for the retros with another.
Like, we
wipe
actually
on
have
the
decent
board.
amount of kills. This
They've
thing.
been archived, Scotty.
I think we need a laugh track to back you
Zipline
up.
time!
Oh my god. Just drop on him like a fucking energy. Oh, he's in the air. Juice world. yeah. There you go. Now go steal that shit back.
Hit nobody?
Why's my balls smell like barbecue?
Target the mine!
Teammate's resing me, by the way.
Drop the
Never
mine!
mind, he's not. He's respawning.
No way, he stole it, bro. Like, actually.
You said they hit all the mines?
Defend. Stay put.
Shit. Oh, come up. Come up. Come up.
What? How did I hit him?
Back in action.
This game's busted as fuck, dude. I only did my heavy attack and it just missed because the cash out was in front of me. I kid you not. Steal that shit. You big bally bastard.
Commanding play. The
Dude.
Try to escape this.
Got one. Come here. Come real quick.
Oh, I'm suffering. I'm suffering. Get a reload. I got it.
They steal a cash out.
A move that definitely sets the stakes higher, Scotty.
Placing a
The
motion
retro
sensor.
swooped up a cash
I'm chilling
box.
right now, nigga. Here, I got you.
The shock and awe have respawned. Let's see how they bounce back.
Some of the best of
They're
them.
ready to get cracking. If I were the tough shells,
Setting
I'd
a
No, stay here,
watch
stay
my
here.
back.
Stay here, yeah. Yeah, we'll just drop it.
30 seconds left to
There's
the
3 mines not doing.
This is the moment for the teams to make their move
Mitch is
and
dead.
shine.
Proximity sensor active.
Oh my god, they're above us. They're right above us, twin.
cash box has a new owner in the tough shells. Let's see how they use it.
Oh my
Yeah, that
god.
guy's dead. Yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Above us. All orange.
Come here. Stop real quick.
You ain't getting shit, bitch. You're not getting that cash out, bitch. You stuck. I stuck him with a lock bolt. He ain't getting nowhere.
Surprise
We
with
got
a
it.
game like that.
We got
The
it.
mighty clinch first.
Oh my god, I just fell so hard.
I got you.
I'm coming. Fuck. No! No!
The teams have made their intentions clear with that first elimination. Now, let the real showdown begin.
God damn it. Oh shit, they're right here. They're right here. Oh my god, they're low.
Arming a mine.
They're sitting on top.
No, I fell.
Grenade.
I don't know. They're not going nowhere.
Point. Shit. On the bridge.
They're dead. It's huge.
Planting a pyro mine time.
First cash out.
This kind of drive will take them all the way to the
Making
finish.
more friends, Jaden?
Oh, right here.
You making more friends, Jaden? You making more friends, Jaden?
Here's my Discord. You can. Oh yeah, fuck him up.
Oh, y'all going nowhere. Hey, fuck, I can't get him. I can't hit him. There's one left.
To have like with me and you and we have like
All right.
it's like great to hear that you like are hungry for like a
I
second.
don't even like always have a minimum appetite. Like sometimes I really do, like constantly.
There you go. Do it.
They're outside.
But I
Right
mean,
above.
I do like my appetite is too big.
Yeah. Well,
Let's do it.
like a week ago, like I had like mac and cheese.
They're locked,
Like I eat like
Oh my god, they're stuck as shit.
regular like whole box of it. I ate half of the bowl and I like
Yes.
I was
Yes.
sitting there like damn I'm screwed.
The tough shells.
Back in play.
Team wipe.
Huge. Oh my god, my goo didn't fucking do anything.
Back to my melee grind, bro.
Mine the mine. Pyro mine.
Yeah, fuck it.
Oh,
Yeah, mine that shit up.
oh my.
You gotta like slow them down as much as possible.
I know that. Sorry.
The tough shells have returned to the arena.
You said all the barrels?
Back in action, and the mighty might face some real blowback in return.
Shit, they walked through that door. They're fucking.
They're not getting to this.
I want to be one of those.
They're not
like,
getting to this in time, dude. I don't give a fuck. They're not getting to this shit in time. Teammate's already dead.
What's that one? Isn't it like either
They're shooting through
I
it.
want to be like a black mamba or I want to be isn't the copperhead the one that's black and red? It's the
I'm
copperhead
dead.
black
I'm
one.
dead.
I would like to be that.
He got it in time. Oh, he died? We got it! Holy shit!
Hold on, I have to turn it over.
Just ask the money.
W fucking
They
minds.
took that final
W
round for
fucking minds.
our new rising stars.
Oh my god. You beautiful fuck.
Say that again? Sure I wouldn't be what?